Say, vagina fi go in and pump me no, me no want.
You will? No fi not chatting with me over no bill. Cause me not taught them something here. But me can tell you this.
Man, my viewers and subscribers. I hope you have a blessed day, you know. Anyway, me could go in right now. Me see Ifrica go up on one stage show and her mouth slip and she say something and me know say a whole lot of people are gonna say whatever. But when me couldn't hear what she say still.
Say, vagina fi go in and pump me no, me no want. Some girl a go on like they don't know say. A vagina and body work together, you know. See? So, me give thanks to the man that were busting loud blank a while ago because some people still afraid. All who not afraid for some man or woman again in a mountain view. Got some book in our blood clot sky. Alright then. We got to make it better.
Me honestly think Ifrica make a mistake. I think she not mean what she said because Ifrica is an artist whatever leak out against certain things, you know. She not condone certain things. And as a woman where always try to uphold herself certain way, yeah man, I not think she mean what she said. Her mouth she make a mistake, her mouth slip. You understand? And me not gonna use that and beat her and say whatever. Cause me know as a woman where always I leak out about certain things. Yeah man, that's my thought still. But do not tell me what you not think in the comment section. Anyway, me see which part Kayla and the mother come out and she say she seek help. And but remember say them did say she did get 60 million the last time when she does seek help and but that are allegedly the argument still. Me can't put a point on it if you say yes. But mother want she get help still. Mother really want she get help still. But me I couldn't see what she has said still. I wanna tell me what I think in the comment section.
You will? No fi not chatting with me over no bill. Cause me not taught them something here. But me can tell you this. Kaylan went into cardiac arrest because of septic shock. And Kaylan got septic shock because they did not change the catheter. She got a UTI. A urinary tract infection caused Kaylan to get the last 2 cardiac arrests. And people, wanna see how me's a very humble person. And me hold it long because she up there and she in a them care and you know me just no want nobody to deal with her no way. That is always my worry. Me no want nobody to angle me picnic. Me no want nobody deal with me picnic no way. Me no want nobody. You understand? And Kaylan ended up that is the first time Kaylan gets sepsis. UTI. A urinary tract infection because and you know what the worst thing 2 days before that I asked the nurse when I go up there if them change the catheter because me keep a check on it and them tell me say them change the catheter was not changed. She had a urinary tract infection that they were not treating because of an unchanged catheter. And Kaylan ended up spending an extra year in a ICU because of sepsis. She ended up, you hear me say? She ended up spending the extra year where she in there. When you calculate how much 75,000. Me not talk about the medication, talk about the bed. 1 year. How much you say the 1 year for the bed? And of course I was gonna, you know why I never file a lawsuit? Because she's still in the hospital. That is the reason why. She was still in their care. That you saw, all right. So you see that $41 million there, I feed them bill. Somebody said 41, somebody said 21. Right now the bill there $45 million. So no make up on no mind how much. Somebody calculate it. 75,000 a day. 365 days times $75,000. $41 for the, yeah, but me stand the responsibility me we stand the responsibility for the 6 months. But me I talk about when she get the sepsis and going at the last 2 cardiac, the septic shock.
25,000.
All right. So you see the extra year that we're killing in the ICU is negligence. Cause it. 1 year extra because of sepsis. She had 7 episodes back to back. Because of sepsis. The first time she had sepsis, it was caused by a blood infection. The blood cause of a UTI cause it. A urinary tract infection cause Kaylan forget sepsis. So, that's why when everybody nyam up themselves, me not look, me not pay no mind because me know what me know. Me know what me know. So, when everybody a bash and a galang, you notice me not look. Me know what is, me know what me know. Me not make no problem with them. Me not make no problem with them. Me try to just live because me just grateful say my child is still here. That is all me do. You understand? Me just grateful she's here. So me no look for nobody, me no get no liar, me no sue nobody, me no nothing at all. Me just stay focused because guess what? Again, when our lungs get damaged, when me tell the ENT say, change the tracheostomy tube. Change the tracheostomy tube. Change it, you know what I say? At the right tube she have in. And you know what happened? She start vomit up blood. She start vomit up blood. She start vomit up pure blood. She have vomit. Every vomit she vomit up blood. Blood, red, rich blood like you just chop somebody. Blood. And you know what cause it? The trach, what she have in her neck, she had in a size 7.5 trach. Kaylan is a size 6 trach. We never knew that at the time. But they had in a 7.5 in her. It was too long. So what happened? It gets stuck in a one side of the bronchi. The lungs have 2 bronchi. No so, Kaylan? 2 sides. You have right lung and you have left lung. No so? It got stuck in one lung. So one lung was not getting any oxygen at all. So one lung was dying, was collapsing. And I want to tell you how we find out when she cough up the blood and the ENT specialist them come. When me talk to them, the way we are say the trach every minute she have problem with the trach, and we are say change the trach. I spoke to them, you know, and I said, tell me what size to get. I will go and change it. Them said no, it don't need to change. They said they don't need to change it. Me say me will get the trach. They said they don't need to change it. And you know what the worst part? The trach what Kaylan need is not in Jamaica. No hospital supplies place no sell trach. People at Jamaica no survive for wear trach. Really, mostly. And let me tell you something. When the specialists them come, The senior specialists look. They do a laryngoscopy, we call a laryngoscopy, where they put the camera down through the tube to see where it goes. When the senior look, him not see nothing. But me, even when you look on her, you can see the rise and fall of her chest. One side rise more than one. So me know something wrong. And when I put my head on her chest, me can't hear the lung. Me can't hear one of the lungs I breathe. One, me not hear me. I tell him, say, no man, something not right still. Me can't hold it. Me have to cry. Hush, eat boss.
So, me really want she get help. Me really pray and hope she get help so she can get back to herself as a little young lady where get messed up mentally, physically. You know, me I pray if she get back her health and get back and find back herself and pray God bless her and guide her and protect her. You know, because I'm a mother also and more don't want that for my child either. You know? Yes, my people. And I see where Shauna Chin and 10 Point come out last night. Then they did on a live. And like she a give him heads, you know, and you know, but anyway, I'm not gonna see it for myself still. I wanna tell me what I wanna think.
Take out this blood clot, yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Bro, me turn the camera for you, me turn the camera for you, easy yourself. Hear me, I want you. Alright. Alright.
No, do that.
Hey. Yes, clad. Bro. Yo, G-Force, I did. Kill him, man. One more clap. My dog there, no man. My dog, where are you, man? When I love you fuck you too much, your girl gone out there, so. And I using a bum buckler, so. He's on a bum buckler self, man. That would I love you fuck you for. Where are you, my killer? Everything active? No boy, man. 1G money, man. One lion face, man. Is it? You see her, bro?
Wow.
He's on herself, man. The girl now do nothing. I love you fuck you too much.
But for me not think, as a big woman, me not think that that's appropriate for your company live still with that. You know, all type of people are watch live. We have children on live. We have adults, young people, all type of people there on live. I mean, I think that appropriate for company live still for you put out yourself on live and do certain things, even though it's not a show, but the way how it sound and how it look, and that a go on. And I think we are lose with self and I lose with morals as a people. Because we know back then, we not living in the long time world still, you know, but back then, as a principal country, you know, people would now want certain things for out there about them bedroom. Because you know bedroom a private thing. And I think that is a private segment when not supposed to be out in the public like that. That is how me personally feel. But in which way you can't tell a person how to live their life and how to feel and how to put out there and what not to put out there. But I think we are lose with self and we need to find back with self as some God-fearing people. That is how I personally feel. But anyway, when I tell me what I think, you know, when I tell me what I think in the comment section and when I subscribe, remember to share, subscribe and like. Anyway, my people, have a blessed day, not till next time.